Say, mommy.
Yes. I love one. Huh? It's just after 9.
How is she there?
After 9.
Selassie, I'll give her a beating, is it?
I said it's just after 9.
Boom, the rest of man will go through.
With 3,000, not 2,500 me borrow from you, sister.
So, how would you do that?
2,500. Because you put in. No.
You know one thing, can I say that?
Leave me honey alone.
Put spicy outside the it.
Mm-hmm. Because it look like say you haunted this morning.
Are you haunted? You come back.
No, put back the. Oh, nobody not there, so you can put it up.
Ah, gosh, I want to this lady, man.
Yes, sister.
Boom, the Rasta man will go through.
Remember the money you gave, you sent to Lester was 5,000, 50 to me and 250. Remember?
Boom, the Rasta man I go through.
The money I borrowed from you was to put.
I don't want to get involved in that. We don't want to get involved in that. Listen. This is how we do it. You know what I'm saying? Me and the lady was having a conversation about the churches and thing and whatever. And who the pastor?